Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mazda. It's the CX-3 Sport and a host of extras in absolutely lovely condition. As you can see, finished in metallic black, diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear park sensors, got a rear camera as well, twin exhausts, petrol cap. The black paintwork is absolutely popping, absolutely. As you can see, boot area is in lovely condition. Parcel shelf. One thing I like about this, I've not seen many of these, lovely contrasted interiors. You've got the burgundy leather there with the Alcantara, and lovely, I don't know how to describe it, but it's lovely finish inside. Electric windows, electric mirrors, carbon fibre, again contrasting seating to the front. Got lane assist, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, starts up lovely, heads up display, it's a 93,129 miles. It's got the reverse camera, 3-stage heated seats, climate control, and the aircon is lovely and cold. USB aux 6-speed gearbox, iDrive there. It is in lovely condition, just arrived. So at DJH we have full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give me a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.